create a full website with AI, no coding, no stress, no experience needed. You can do it on your phone or your laptop. Check this out. This website was created using AI, no coding at all, which I created for lace ladies and spa. The website look premium, which is book an appointment, luxury ladies beauty salon and spa in Basha Eye, Dubai. Book appointment. You see the services is there, any service, facial, skincare, massage and spa, washing and training, all services. You can feel all services. You can check them out. You come back, there is the lace lady different white choose alls is there, experience all this website was created using AI. Even the location is there, book your visit, everything, book appointment, the number they can call is there. This website was created using AI without no single line of coding. This website was just created by me going to ChatGPT. And what did I write? The prompt that I give to ChatGPT is just like, I copy the Google business profile and put it on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to look at this business profile, give me a full website prompt to generate a best website for their business and make it the best website, clean and professional. If I want, I can put more words, maybe the font, the color that I want, I can put it there. But I just don't, I don't have time to be putting all that. I don't want any. I just say that do it in a create it in the best website, clean and professional. Then it generates this for me. And looking at it is very, very okay. Give us about service gallery. You give the gallery there. You can add again services. It's there. The review is there also. So that is the work of AI. So if you want to do for your own, just go to ChatGPT. You can, instead of, maybe if you cannot copy the Google business profile, you can write all the business description about the business. You can write it there, something like the what's it called, the project, which is the name of the company, the business name, you write it there, the location, the business type, the target audience, and the number that they will call, how you want the booking to be, your physical location. You can write everything on ChatGPT, and you now copy those words. You copy the full one, the full prompt that they give to you. Copy everything, and you go to Lovable.ai. Lovable.ai we write everything for you. We create the website for you in minutes without any stress. We will create the website for you without paying any money. You are not paying anything for it. You can just go and click and put you put all the prompt that ChatGPT gives to you, and you put it here on Lovable.ai, and the website will be created for you.